Bor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Khun Rangbah jung Pastor Reverend Dr. R.R. Cunville, Uba Rafael Cunville, Ulayam Rangbah habau pinken mau shika Ïing kesem jung Billy Graham, bok pa jong Ieid Palat hika Ïing kesem jong ki. Naka Ïing kesem jung Billy Graham, but naka Billy Graham Evangelistic Association, lawan ban mi kamat dok si jung Billy Graham, Uroy Graham, ubri Khun jung Franklin Graham. Haga jung liat buram kado haye, Uba Rafael Cunville, lapinken mau, bahaga jing jong kpa jong hakas la perthai ulale chakeleng ke perthai banya lap lektin jong ublei Henry kedai hakar pundro trek unwa pra arajar apusan ba ulayo ke jing pang kedai shadem ni ka heart attack kumta lai lam yu woodwood Bethany Hospital shilo but hak artrek uklaling kon arajar apundrio upaste Cunville ulayo banwano shaying namar ba ulakham yo bor Henry ka santrek uklaling kon arajar apundrio kalawan lap yang ka heart attack ka bakham he bat lara biang Bethany Henry namar bakala kambanjur lapin kendria no shini grims bat tat hado kakat nyo trik ukalaling kot araja apun riu ba ulo badom uluan tap ya kay Ïing kesem hakabau Pastor Cunville ulaklat no hani grims
hakabaning kong ngamla klem la aingo yo blay.
First and foremost, we cannot but thank God.
Ubala long lem ringkat bat ngi nadu kakat nyo tarik kulaling kot arajar arpun riu.
Who has been with us since the 17th of January 2026.
Hakaba ublay ulawan shimno Ieid na pning jongi kumgaying.
On the day that God came and called our Father.
Ngam artatin babon na pikwa mantip yakai kabacay Ieid.
I do not doubt many of you wanted to know what happened to our dearest daddy.
Nya ngo ublay yaka rata kabajrong ringkat bat ka jingkot jingkya kaba ublay ulay karpang hai.
We are thankful to God for the long and healthy life that God has given to him.
Lembaga ki prapundrius nem kaba penla yai bancakri bat yalap yaka ktin kabakhot ke jong u shakeleng kakapertei.
In all the 86 years that he could go around the world to proclaim the gospel of Jesus Christ.
Henry kendit kansan
all of a sudden
haka arpun riu tarik no pra arajar arpusan
on the 26th of December 2025
ilayok a heart attack.
He had a heart attack
but nilaya lamut wood sa Bethany Hospital
and we promptly took him to the hospital, Bethany Hospital.
Daga jingis na ublay but ka jingarap jong ka hospital.
Through the mercies of God and the help of the Bethany Hospital that we received,
ilayo borbiang but ilawan pai biang sayeng haka arterik ukelalengkot arajar arpun riu.
He was able to come through and he was released to come home on the 2nd of January 2026.
Iladon hayeng kumbasawski.
He was at home for 4 days.
Henry haka santarik ukelalengkot arajar arpun riu.
On the 5th of January 2026,
ka heart attack ka bakamjur kalawan biang hai.
A more severe heart attack came upon him.
But sachi sin ngilara brandran ye sa Bethany Hospital.
Once again, we had to quickly take him to the Bethany Hospital.
Namar ka jing banjur ka jing sitom kum ka yeng ngila hap ban pingkriya no sa negrims.
Because of the severity of the sickness, we had to shift him to Negrims Hospital.
Iladon ha Negrims hado kasngi ba ilaklat no.
He was at Negrims till the day that he passed away from this earth.
Bat kata kalong ha katnyo tarik ukelalengkot arajar arpun riu.
And that was the 17th of January 2026.
Kum ka yeng ilamat ya ka jing sosi haka ba ulo ubadum ulawan ka ya ka yeng jongi.
As a family, we have experienced great loss and sorrow where a cloud of pain has hovered over our lives.
Ka jingklat no jongi dari ka long kumbarat no yau resort ba jong ka yeng jongi badru yaki ba Ïid ba thon.
The passing away of our daddy is like uprooting the strongest pillar of our family and the loved ones of our family.
Andrei hapadeng kani ka jing yai lenti ni sngo yu blai ubla pentingan bat pen site bor yang ni kum ka Ieing hadu menta.
But in spite of this journey, we are thankful to God that He has consoled us and helped us, that we can able to go on till today.
Nimla klem da pen pau ka jing sngo ya pi baro ki balawan ban pen sngo lam nadu ka singi klat jong idari.
We cannot but express our gratitude to every one of you who has come to comfort us as a family.
Hi, my name is Megan. I'm Pastor Cunville's granddaughter, and I'll be speaking on behalf of us, the family, and the grandkids today. I'll be speaking in English. I'm not sure where I should start. I didn't think I'd have to do this, but here I am. Our grandfather, Robert Cunville, is, or was, always the light on earth that God had set him out to be. From his youth as a dashing young boy who was a loving son, brother, and friend to all, to his days as a scholar while balancing his PhD in America, amidst also being a husband, father, and a growing evangelist with the Billy Graham Evangelistic Association. He always stayed true to himself and his mission here on earth. God put the brightest spark in him, and it was, or to me still is, what continues to shine through his legacy today and always. To many in this town and around the globe, he was known as Pastor Cunville. But to us, my sisters, brother, to our family, he was our superhero, our Baba, who loved us beyond measure, who would take on the weight of the world to help us move from place to place, and he would give up everything at an instant to help us do anything, be it tie our shoelaces or move across the country or the ocean. So I also want to add, we were, or we still are, always a handful, but our beloved Baba always taught us right from wrong without ever raising our voice. His words of strength and grace ring through to us today and always. Baba would always dress me up and take me to school for most of my younger days. He'd wake me up, watch Little Einsteins on Disney Channel with me, and have little notes on every classical piece that played on the show. He taught me about life and all it holds at a very young age, and for that I am eternally grateful. Because all I know about life, love, faith, patience, and family, I learned from him. He was a hard worker, and he loved what he did. But he was also more than just his work. He was a musician, an artist, a curator and collector of his passions. He instilled his love for Chopin, Debussy, and Tchaikovsky in me through his vinyl collection, while also making my sisters and everyone in our family appreciate the sounds of jazz and bossa nova through artists such as Stan Getz, Nat King Cole, Miles Davis, Yao Gilberto. I know he's jamming with them in heaven now. I also want to add how his humor warmed everyone. He warmed any crowd with the number of jokes he always had up his sleeves. He could make any and everyone laugh. His passion for learning as a doctor of theology and of life has always intrigued me to want to learn more. His love for knowledge, books, and fiction continues to inspire me to always be on the lookout for what's across the horizon. I'll keep this short and sweet because that's how Baba always liked it. There are a million other stories that I'd love to share about the man who shaped me, who shaped my family. All the good parts of me I owe to him. He was, or rather is, and always will continue to be the anchor that holds me. My faith in God has grown immensely in the past few months, and I believe that God always has a reason for everything that He puts in front of us. Our grandfather has completed his mission on earth and is now able to rest, knowing his light has left a cosmic impact on the world. As a family, we grieve so very, very heavily for our Baba. But as believers, we trust in God and His timing for everything. So, as Baba would say, I'll see you later, alligator. We love you always. We know you're never far away. You're with us always.
Ini pas ublay ke jing duai. Ublay ukpa jingi bahabneng. Yai go emeko kenrat ama malong ublay. Wasas kor ke jing duai jingi kon ke jome. Ha ke jing shem ke per jongka jingim ke jingi. Yai go atrai na markane ke por. Yai dengan mi don sau dong kane ke sendok. Hakabala boy ka met ka basa Jono shakri ba kodor jame Reverend Ieid other Cunville shakri ubame ko tribe ba malibet ban kot ban klat no ya na kini ke e botoin nei kong bilang korim negeri kon negeri kseu ba kebenar kerja dai baro try ban ngai ngo balai kerta ka ba jrong ke Palat nemba thoi ka ten ka chamaken rababa ban ngi ai ngo ru a try be e nabar malaje de no shakri chamaken try ba un longo atiar jameko try e Preo badap de kajing badap de kajing lui de kajing snoret de kajing robley bab mala padan kam ratba enu shagri jamai pastor be jungi trabi ban plaiga kertenga jamai ko trabi de ta de jala go jungi de ta ne kari India go jungi re kalenga pertai go trabi kimen semba kordor kleoman ya ga jibem kleoman gi shamen sem ka batmai laba ga jing padan kam ga shamet Yonu shakri uba kodor jame ubala pan mi nakane ke benre jungi nakane ke dikasi jantia ke jungi nakane ke state jungi mekalaya ko trabi hatrai yai ngo atrai bar hakirta ke ba awla jrong ru trabi idang ban bang ban lai wasike jika ke kendong entrai banyak selok bagi par bangai kilo pedang me ban khari ke wei par ko ba ito e metrai bagi to jisu long tang ma ubat tang ma ka jingkerman wa wala ban ai ka jing bom chukor mo ban ai ka jing sura kana ka pertai ka batang sipor ila pendap ke kamram ko ikin trabi ba ka ya ka ma ibit ko trabi lor ka ke ban pendap ko trai kan da long shisha ka piang hoda ka bat chome ko trabi kan da lor ban pa ka burom chome kin trai na ma unu shakri jame trai wala pendan burom ka kerteng ka jame trai sa skor jing dua jing kerpa jing pendai ke tin ma puli try mangingoy de makarpar kini baro haka kertengu Jesu unang panem jomi. Amen.